Hey everyone, this is United. I just want to go over a quick video on the 400 EMA. I love playing the 400 EMA bounces and rejections, and I just want to demonstrate a few examples of how it worked for us today and how you can implement this in your strategy as well. And if you want some more additional assistance, go ahead and join the Nexus Trading Group, and you'll see in voice chat we're constantly trading based on the 200 EMA and ultimately the 400 EMA, which we found is a very, very strong point where the price reverses or the prices bounce. So here in this example, we have Microsoft. We didn't see this play till a little bit later. So the market in different aspects rallied and then rejected and fell to a certain point. We noticed that Microsoft hit the 400 EMA, and what I was doing was waiting for the bounce. And once it came down here, you'll see the bottom wick started reversing to the top and started turning green. We entered into a Microsoft position of calls for next Friday. Our target was the pre-market highs. Of course, we always consider that we need to sell in an event that we see some exhaustions. As the price started traversing through the moving averages, I was always ready to hit the sell button. And then once this candle turned red and started breaking down below the previous candle, that's when we decided to sell. Some of the members actually sold around 20%, which is what my peak price was. So if you took that 20%, that was great. That's the goal you had. I waited to see if we can go back to pre-market. But once I seen this pullback here, I went ahead and took profits around 11%. You can see the rest of the day, it rejected, as this particular day was very choppy up and down throughout the whole day. So glad we took profits there. Another trade we took was SPX. So while taking the SPX, we consider SPY, and we consider the S&P 500 futures. We consider the NASDAQ futures on how we make our plays. So looking at SPY, how this played out, it's dropping during the daytime. Now this yellow line is a trend line. I'll show you later on the hourly trend line of why this was good to take this play here. So as you can see that it broke through the hourly trend, but also rejected the hourly trend. So not only did it reject the hourly trend, it broke down below the 21 EMA, which is one of the strongest EMAs in the industry. Confluent, a breakdown of the VWAP as well, further allowed us to stay into this trade longer. Our target was the 200 EMA. Price fell to the 200 EMA, we took profits. But I just want to note that it fell even further, and we could have stayed in trade and made a lot more gains had we stayed to the 400 EMA. But notice that the 400 EMA bounced and continued to rally for the rest of the day. You'll consistently see this on many time frames, in many different stocks. If you just wait patiently and you trade the 200 EMA, the 400 EMA bounces, as well as the 200 EMA and 400 EMA rejections, you'll find this trading strategy very profitable. All right, so going back to the hourly candle, I'll show you that the trend line that I drew here, which I drew from 18 March, and you can see that we had another point here at 22 March. We confirmed our support trend line here on 23 March. And then again, we confirmed our resistance trend line on 25 March. So when drawing trend lines, it only takes 2 points of reference to make a line. And then once we got the rejection off of the resistance trend line, that's when we were able to take those puts for a quick scalp. Here we got 35% on SPX puts, which we just took one, managing risk, position size, and that was about a $700 profit. Okay, thanks for checking out this video.